and the first name is Cartia, Carteia. Yes, I am. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you so much. All right, bye-bye. All right, Ms. Austin, I know she was sounding a little muffled, but we're able to hear her.
Was that Mr. Phillips?
That your name does not ring a bell. He did a precursor of the address. He did not see it, so he's going to look into it and call me back today or tomorrow. Now, so you heard him tell me if I'm in court or not here, they're transferring it already to my cell phone. So, and I told him, you heard me say you were just there 2 weeks ago, you met, and they showed a picture of the file. However, we were told there was no file on this address. What was the name? And with the search that he just did, he doesn't see it. And I told him, we sent that FOIA request in a while ago. We were told that file, they didn't have anything on it. There was no investigation. In fact, they didn't even have a report. But you just went down there 3 weeks ago and got the report.
No, I didn't go get the report. I saw the file.
You saw the report. Mm-hmm. That you saw the file. And he right now is putting in 8627 Warren Street. It's not coming up.
Yep, the fire was November 12th, 2018. It's all you got to do is look up through the fire records, 911 records too.
Yeah, so now that's why.
And I have pictures of the fire department too.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen those.
Yeah, they're all over my Facebook page.
Yeah, so if that's the case, if you went there and they're able to physically show it to you, but no one can give you a copy or something, and of course you would know your house, if they have pictures of your house on fire, then of course you would have been able to.
And the insurance company has to have the file report from the fire investigation too, in order for the insurance to cover it.
Yep, that's correct. So that's one of the things that Terry had been looking into as well as getting video. Because your neighbors weren't willing to get a video, either they did have it. And so,
no, they had it. They gave it to a thumb drive to Mr. Douglas. Mr. Douglas, when I asked Mr. Phillips what happened to the thumb drive, he said that because the file was sitting right there in front of us, and I asked him, I said, where's the thumb drive? He said that Mr. Douglas had lost the thumb drive.
Okay.
But all the pictures and stuff were there. We saw all the pictures.
Yeah, but you have to turn in on your street because she's trying to get cameras that may have been on light around the area to get the car.
Oh, I have cameras all around the house, so I have pictures of the car. I have all the text messages on my YouTube channel where she admitted to setting the house on fire, admitted to being in the house.
I have it, but did you give the fire department the pictures from the cameras on your home? Because that would have picked them instantly and immediately.
No, he said it didn't matter. They have to be able to place her in the house. Even though she admitted to it, he said they have to be able to place her in the house. That's why he said arson was so hard to...
Did you get still pictures off of your video from your house?
No, because they came in through the backyard.
And you have cameras in the back?
No.
So what do you have on cameras from your house? What were your cameras able to pick up ever?
My cameras weren't functioning at that time. It wasn't my cameras. It was the cameras across the street at the neighbor's house. That's what was on the thumb drive.
But you have cameras all around your house with your car, right? Even in the area.
I don't know what was on the thumb drive. I never was able to see it.
No. I'm talking about the cameras that you have all around your house. What were you able to pick up on those? Because even if you can't place them in the house, you had protective orders where you said they've been up and down your street. Your camera would show that they were in the area.
Are you talking about before the fire, after the fire?
Anytime.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I have those. I just got a protective order from Judge Mahoney last week.
So they finally ordered one.
Yes.
And this was in Norfolk Circuit Court?
Yeah, it was in Norfolk General District Court, courtroom 2D.
Norfolk General District. Let me see if I can put that in. It's hard working on this cell phone. Okay, so yeah, I will be...
And I filed a lawsuit.
Oh, good. Okay, well, when the detectives call tomorrow, I will try to call and put you on a three-way so that you can talk directly to him as well and get him the same information that they gave me.
I'll go down there.
Well, since he knows, I mean, I would at least say when he calls tonight to be on three-way, and then if he's saying that now all of a sudden there's an actual physical file, I'll let him know that you would be on your way down there to pick it up so they can have it ready when you get there.
Okay.
Okay? And then I'm going to ask him to also fax the copy to my office immediately.
Yeah, because I have copies of the pictures. I have copies of the pictures.
Yeah, even if you have the pictures, you can always email those to me. I want the investigation report.
Yeah, I want a copy of the report, too.
That's what's needed is a copy of that report. So as soon as he calls me back, I will make sure I try to call and get you on the line. So if you see a 646 number with the area code, that's me calling.
Okay.
Okay? And so just make sure that you're on standby, because if you're able to go and get the report, I want him to hear you on the phone, and then they'll have it ready for you down there. And there be no other issues, because we sent in a FOIA request for that report, and it came back as there was a report on 8627 or whatever the area is for drive for that time period, or any time period ever of arson.
Okay, what do I do about the lawsuit? Because I just filed a lawsuit against Doris for having me falsely arrested when I was in Williamsburg.
No, you filed it in where did you file it? In your district?
I just filed it last week in Norfolk.
Just give me copies of it. And then the other thing is, she needs to be served. If you have an address to serve her, where you serve her?
I can't do it because of the protective orders, but I had somebody mail it out to the house.
Yeah, but you still need to have her served by the sheriff's department.
Oh, that's against TC because he keeps stalking me and harassing me. The lawsuit against her, the protective orders against him.
Okay. Yeah, so they would have 21 days to respond.
Because he's threatening to take me to court and have me arrested for hitting his vehicle, and I wasn't even in my vehicle.
And you said that how? In a phone call or text message?
That was a phone call, but I have all the numbers screenshot.
Did you record the phone call?
No, unfortunately, I wasn't able to record the phone call. But I have all, and but I do have all the harassment through YouTube that was printed out. That's how I was able to get the protective order, because I showed it to Judge Mahoney. He said I had a permanent protective order against me from the courts, which we knew was a lie.
Okay, good. So yeah, let's wait to see if we can get that investigation report, because that's going to help out a lot. And they had to get a supervisor, because I guess we called multiple times or sent multiple letters, I guess. And it's not like we were trying to harass them. We were just trying to get proof of the file. And so hopefully Detective Phillips does call us back tomorrow, and we'll be able to send you down here to get it. But I also want a copy sent directly to my office.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I will talk to you tomorrow.
All right.
And that'll be as soon as you call, hopefully they'll forget. So we'll check back with him if we haven't heard from him close to the end of business. We'll call him back just to remind him that before we send anything down there or send there, we need verification that file is there and it will be ready.
Okay, well, I do have an appointment at the VA first thing in the morning, so I don't know if I'll be able to. There's a lot of metal in the building, so hopefully I'll be able to get the phone call.
I will prepare and hold it up for 2 days. So don't make it there tomorrow. At least you could maybe get it by Friday. Do you think you'll have time to go down there?
Yes, I will.
Okay, and that's what we'll do. But this is why we have to get a PI, because you're telling me your house is on fire, and someone would know the house is on fire, but then we call the actual who does the report, and they don't have it. So it's like there's something going on that they're misplacing information, and what is what. So we're just trying to piece it all together, because this has been going on for quite some time, so it's not going to be able to get all the evidence we need overnight. But as soon as he calls back tomorrow, I'll try to get you on three-way. If you're in your appointment and you don't answer, I'll still tell them that you're prepared to pick the file up if you have ready. You may not make it tomorrow, but if they could just please leave it at the front up until Friday and not put it back, so we don't have to go through doing a whole nother request, we greatly appreciate it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You too.